The next leg of our Aussie road trip took us 90 kilometres from Northcliffe to Walpole in Western Australia. We planned on staying a few days because we wanted to do the Valley of the Giants treetop walk, and also while we were here we thought we would do the 60 kilometre drive to Denmark to visit Greenspool. We stayed at the Rest Point Caravan Park in Walpole, which is on the banks of the Walpole and Nornalup Inlet. Found where all the kangaroos are hiding. There is a little fence here that you're not supposed to go across. But looking at all the poo around the camps, it looks like the kangaroos don't follow the rules. So I thought it might be the kangaroos tearing up the ground, but looks like it's these fellas. For dinner tonight, Chef?
Lamb and stuffed capsicum with cheesy rice.
Yum! Does look pretty yum. I'm not sure which way to jump. Quick tour through the bathroom, hot showers, flushing toilets, awesome. Did I scare them? We're just going this way. You guys stay there. Hello, little baby. Off on a day trip, going to the Valley of the Giants, which is between Walpole and Denmark. There's 600 metres of track, about 40 metres above ground, in the treetops. Entry into the Valley of the Giants was $21 per adult. I'll add a link in the comments for more information. Here we go. Oh geez, this is a little scary. This nervous smile here is the moment I remembered that I'm afraid of heights. Whoa, jeez, it wobbles. Strangely wasn't expecting that. Okay. Phone down because I'm a little scared. Is it cool? Are you scared?
Nah, I'm alright. I'm good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just gotta wait for limit numbers on these things and hope people don't race up behind us.
Weight limit.
Yeah, look. And this is the moment that Tony realised I was panicking. 10 people per platform.
Alicia is shitting.
I shoot myself, but I always sign myself up for these things.
It's getting better.
Halfway point, yay! Alright, here we go.
It's a good view.
It is a good view. I do like the view. Not great with heights. Oh. Gotta face those fears, right? Even if you do shake the whole way. I've upgraded to one hand. It's still making that squealing sound though because I'm gripping it while trying to slide.
This brave girl conquering her fears.
My hands! It is getting easier, so that guy that said it's better the second time is probably right. Needless to say, I was pretty happy to see the ground. After we went around the treetop walk twice, we decided we would take a walk through the ancient empire. Around 500 metres of the trail is suitable for all abilities, including wheelchairs and prams. Some of the plants can be traced back 65 million years to the supercontinent when Australia was joined with what is now Antarctica, India and New Zealand. You'll have to keep an eye out for these hidden little doors. I'm sure I missed a few of them. The next day we did the hour-long drive to Greenspool. When we got to the car park, there was actually quite a few people there. It's probably the most people we've seen anywhere we've been in WA. But it still wasn't crowded. We are at Elephant Rocks and Green Pools. Looks pretty, so we're gonna come up around this bend and check it out. It's only 23 degrees today, so we have to be super brave and commit to getting in.
What a beautiful spot, look at it. How clear the water is.
I think it's definitely a highlight for me. Let's see, what's your favourite place? This goes pretty close to the top of the list.
Yeah.
I think we've found the most beautiful place in Australia. Time to head back to camp and play some tunes. Used to spend my nights out at a bar room. Liquor was the only love I know. I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. We were so excited to spot the albino stingray. Turns out this stingray has been around the area for around 20 years, and the local residents have named him Casper for obvious reasons. We really enjoyed our stay at Walpole, but it was time to move on, with our next stop being Albany in Western Australia. If you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will catch you in the next one.